We are starting with the next topic, that is electric potential and potential energy. Let us start with the basic question. What is meant by the term electric potential? The work done by an external agent in carrying a unit positive test charge from infinity to a point in the electric field is called the electric potential at that point, denoted by V is equal to W by Q naught. So let us imagine that we are having a test charge, positive test charge, Q naught at a point which is at infinity. If from that point we want to bring it to a particular point in the electric field, then we need to do some work to carry. That work is known as the potential, electric potential. There is another term, potential difference. Now, what is potential difference? How is it different? So you can see I have underlined the words unit positive test charge from infinity to a point. But if it is not from infinity, if it is from a point, suppose a point from one point to the other, say between 2 points A and B, in that case, same formula, here V is equal to W by Q naught. In case of potential difference, VA minus VB is equal to W by Q naught. VA means potential at point A, VB potential at point B. So if we are considering 2 points in the electric field instead of infinity, then it is called as the potential difference. Let me read out the definition for you. The work done by an external agent in carrying a unit positive charge from one point to the other in an electric field is called the potential difference between those points. So very similar definition, only a minor difference. Of course, every time we must mention after writing the formula where W is the work done and Q naught is the test charge. SI unit is volt. Whether for potential or potential difference, the SI unit is volt. Let us go to the next concept, that is of electron volt. Very important from examination point of view. Electron volt and EV and conversion into joules. So it is a very small unit which is used in atomic physics. So let us see the definition. It is the work done in taking one electron from one point to the other when the potential difference between these points is 1 volt. So suppose we have 2 points A and B, and if the potential difference between those 2 points is 1 volt and we want to take an electron from one point to the other, in that case some work has to be done. That work will be equal to electron volt. How to relate it with joules? Let us see. Suppose the work done in taking a charge Q naught, so test charge Q naught, from point B to point A is given by. So we know VA minus VB is equal to W by Q naught. So using that formula, the work done W is equal to Q naught VA minus VB. This was our original formula of potential difference. Using this formula, we rewrite it as like this: work done in taking the test charge from point B to point A. Now we know the test charge is having the magnitude of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And we have considered that the potential difference between the points is 1 volt. So VA minus VB is 1 volt. So what is W? So according to our definition, W is electron volt, 1 electron volt. But we know that the unit of work is joules. So what is this 1 electron volt? 1 electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1 volt. So what do you get finally? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. So the question may also be asked as, what is the relation between electron volt and joules? In this case also, this is your answer.